welcome back to the channel, guys. So as you can see, man, I finally put the grill on. Don't worry about my plate. I got a new plate in the back, so I will be putting that on. So yeah, guys, this wasn't really hard to do. It was very simple, but I also have to do the ones at the bottom, the mesh grill at the bottom to match. I don't know, man, should I just go ahead and change them out? But yeah, guys, that's it, man. Give it a whole different look. Like I said, I got the body skirts still to put on and everything, so, and she looking good, man. Now, the only problem I had out of this car since I got it back was a tire pressure sensor went off this morning. So I stopped and put air in the tires. One of the tires was low in the front, and as of right now, that light is still on. So I might go to Discount Tire later on today and figure out what's going on with that. That way we can get that squared away, man. But man, check out that grill though. It looks good, man. It looks a whole lot better with that mesh grill. It looks a whole lot better. Y'all drop a comment down below, man. Let me know what y'all think of the new mesh grill that I installed. The only thing I hate about it, guys, that on the other grill that I had, the original grill, that one right there, it's big and bold, man. So when I painted this car, it didn't really get all the creases because of that grill was so big, it didn't, you know, catch it. So now that I got this other grill on here, and it's kind of skinnier, then now that you can see the little spots right there. But I might just, you know, get some touch up plastic dip for that, or I might just leave it the way it is. We'll see. But man, y'all drop a comment down below, man. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what you think, guys. Now I am gonna go ahead and put the bottom pieces on. I ain't gonna film that part, but y'all just stay tuned, man. Stick around for the whole video so y'all can take a look at the end effect of what's gonna go on, man. So just never know. I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. We finally finished with all the side skirts and everything like that, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. Do it look good? Drop a comment down below, man. And they also carbon fiber. I ordered these off of eBay, guys. So don't get in the comment section and saying, oh man, why you bought fake carbon fiber, man. I don't care, man. I just buy whatever looks good and fits my budget. I'm gonna buy it, man. Check out that grill, man. That's a brand new grill. Black glossy grill on there, mesh. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know what y'all think. The lowering springs are coming next, guys, or the coilovers. I will be ordering those. That way we can drop that back end down a little bit. But as you guys can see, that carbon fiber on there, it's a glossy carbon fiber. It's not like a matte, so it is like a glossy carbon fiber on there. But y'all drop a comment down below. I might be doing something else, maybe going with the gloss black on the roof and the gloss black on the tail, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. I think that would look pretty damn sick. But man, we got to fill that gap in though. I don't like that gap. But let me open up the door so you guys can take a look inside what I already have. I already have the carbon fiber on there. Steering wheel, carbon fiber on the doors, carbon fiber in the center deck. It's looking good, man. And she driving good too, man. She driving really good for now, man. The only thing, like I said, the only thing that came up was the tire pressure light. I'm gonna go check that out in the morning, see what's going on with that. Hopefully it's maybe a valve stem or something like that that needs to be replaced. But man, she doing good. And I also will be tinting those headlights again as well. They will be all the way black. So y'all just stay tuned, man. But if you ain't stopping in for the very first time, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you guys can be notified on every video I post. And man, give me a thumbs up on these videos, man. Let me know what y'all think. And just like that, man, y'all stay safe out there. Don't get in trouble, and stay healthy as well. And yeah, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.